How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find the deleted friends on Snapchat. So you have to open the Snapchat app, and guys, please make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You can see that I have already opened up the Snapchat, and if you know the username of the person that you want to add back, you can tap right here on the search bar, and you will have to search for the name and then type the username of the person you want to add back. So let me type the name of that person. So guys, if the username appears with the plus icon, if it means they have deleted you, and you can add them back simply. So this is how you can easily find the deleted friends on the Snapchat. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.